per unit system. Per unit quantities are actual value of that quantity in any unit divided by the base value of that quantity in the same unit. For high voltage side, base voltage is rated voltage on HV side and the base current is rated current on high voltage side. Base impedance equals to voltage upon current. Then voltage upon, if we divided the voltage on both sides, then V square by rated voltage. And if we divide it by 1000, then in kVA or current is kilovolts square divided by MVA. The impedance, that is R, X and Z in per unit quantities, are actual value of R, X, Z in ohm divided by